What's up, everyone? It's Jason Hubbard here with eXp Realty, your expert guide to crushing it in the Arizona real estate market. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're tackling a huge question that keeps many investors up late at night. When is the right time to sell your investment property? In this video, I'm going to reveal 6 secret signs that scream sell now. Before we get into it, make sure to smash that like button and to subscribe for more real estate gold. Okay, let's get started. Sign number 1, the market's hot. Is your local market just on fire? Are prices skyrocketing and bidding wars raging? If you've got a rental property that's appreciated significantly, it might be time to cash in on this crazy market and lock in those profits. Sign number 2, are rental rates stalling? Is your rent barely covering your expenses? Are vacancies lasting longer and longer? This could be a sign that your rental income isn't keeping pace with the current market. Selling now could free up capital to invest in a property with a higher return on investment. Sign number 3, has becoming a landlord turned into a complete nightmare for you? Let's be honest, dealing with some tenants can be a major headache. Constant repairs, bad apples, late payments, evictions, 5-day notices. Is the stress of being a landlord outweighing the benefits? If so, then selling might be the best thing for your sanity. Sign number 4, the dreaded depreciation drop-off. Remember that sweet depreciation tax break that you've been enjoying? Well, it doesn't last forever. Once that benefit runs out, 27.5 years, your taxable income could jump up significantly. Selling before that happens allows you to keep more of your hard-earned profits. Sign number 5 is a better opportunity knocking. Maybe you've spotted a dream property with higher earning potential. Selling your current investment can free up the cash you need to jump onto that amazing deal. Remember, real estate is all about strategic moves. Sign number 6, maybe life's thrown you a curveball. Look, life happens. Maybe you need a down payment for a new home or a major life change that requires a shift in your investment strategy. Don't be afraid to adapt. Selling your property can provide the financial flexibility you may need when life throws you a curveball. So there you have it. These are just some of the key signs that may be telling you it's time to sell your investment property and move on. Remember, the decision to sell is personal, so weigh your options carefully. Make sure you also use an agent that specializes in investment properties, because there's lots of things that go into it, like 1031 exchanges. But if any of these situations sound familiar to you, don't be afraid to make a move. In the comments below, let me know what signs made you decide it's time to sell your investment property. And while you're down there, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome real estate content. I'll also put a link down in the description for you to click on if you're curious how much your Arizona investment property is currently worth, just in case you're considering selling your home. Until next time, keep crushing it out there, and thanks again for watching.